Michelle here with me, along with our friends Hazel and Isaiah. We will explore the properties of an energy stick. All you need for this experiment is this energy stick, which you can get for a few dollars. Let's see what happens if I hold this energy stick in my hand, and then I hold Isaiah's hand. Isaiah, go ahead and hold hands with Hazel, and you can hold Michelle's hand. Nothing has happened so far. Michelle, go ahead and grab the end of the stick. Now, let's see what happens if anyone else lets go of their hands. Nice. It will turn off. Anywhere the cycle is broken, the stick turns off. There is a small current that we don't feel and that we can't see. This current flows through the whole circle as long as everyone is holding hands. It connects through the circle of hand to the other side of the energy stick, and then the electrical circuit is complete. This reminds us that Jesus wants the church body to be unified, holding the same goals and knowing each other's hearts. There is power that comes from working as one, working together in Christ's name.